Everyone in this room is reading the same passage. But only one student will notice the tiny detail that changes everything. Will it be Maya, or will she miss it? Let's find out.
Support this journey by liking, subscribing, and turning on notification for upcoming lessons.
This could be my biggest opportunity.
The email says, before submitting your application, you must complete a short reading assessment based on a historical document. Maya smiles.
That doesn't sound too difficult.
The internship company wants to test one important skill. Can you find information quickly and accurately? Read carefully. You have 90 seconds. Don't read every word first. Start by looking for keywords. Example question: when was the journal discovered? Keyword: discovered. Now scan the passage instead of reading everything again.
I think Daniel found the treasure.
Did he? Let's check. The passage says no treasure has been found. What we learned from this mistake? Don't guess. Always find the evidence in the passage.
After each question, Maya gives her answer. Sometimes she's correct. Sometimes she isn't.
I think it's B. Daniel Brooks. I think it was found in 2025. It was discovered behind a wooden shelf in an old library. I think that's true. I'll choose B. Oak tree. Because historians believe it provides important information about the island's history. The best title is The Forgotten Treasure Map.
How did you do? If you answered 6 or 7 questions correctly, you are developing strong reading skills. If you found some questions difficult, don't worry. Reading is a skill that improves with practice. Remember these 3 IELTS reading secrets: skim the passage to understand the main idea. Scan for keywords instead of reading every word. Find evidence in the passage before choosing your answer. Reading tip: the keyword is created. Scan the first paragraph instead of reading the whole passage. The answer appears in the very first sentence. Reading tip: notice the difference between 1925, when Daniel visited the island, and 2025, when the journal was discovered. IELTS often includes similar numbers to test your attention. Reading tip: don't stop at the word library. Read the entire sentence because IELTS questions often require the complete detail. Reading tip: the passage clearly says, no treasure has been found. Since the statement contradicts the passage, the answer is false, not given. Reading tip: highlight keywords such as lighthouse, bridge, and oak tree while reading. They are easy to locate later. Reading tip: when you see a why question, scan the passage and look for words that introduce a reason, such as, because gives a reason. The journal is valuable because it explains the island's past. Belief shows an opinion or reason. Historians believe the journal contains important facts. Therefore shows a result. The journal was preserved, therefore, it is important today. Reason directly tells you why. The main reason the journal matters is its historical value. In IELTS, don't search for the exact word, why, in the passage. Search for the reason behind the statement. Reading tip: the best title reflects the main idea of the entire passage, not just one paragraph.
The company reviews Maya's reading assessment. Maya is waiting.
Congratulations! You have successfully completed the reading challenge. You are invited to the internship interview.
Now it's your turn. Without looking back at the passage, answer this question. Why do historians believe the journal is valuable? Write your answers in the comments. We will discuss it in day 15. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and comment, and turn on the notification bell that you never miss upcoming lessons. Keep shining, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.